Hello everyone. So now I am going to explain projections of planes. Another simple example. So here the example I have taken as same rectangular plane that is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. So this is the opposite case as previously I have explained for the projections of planes. So here the rectangular plane is placed in a first quadrant that is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. So how the orientation will be in the first quadrant I'll show you now. So here it is the first quadrant consisting of vertical plane and horizontal plane. So in this we need to place the rectangular plane with certain distances from horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay, here I'm assuming 30 mm above the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. So here that rectangular plane should be parallel to horizontal plane. So when it is parallel to horizontal plane, so the positioning will be like this for the rectangular plane. So if it is parallel to horizontal plane means automatically it can be perpendicular to the vertical plane. So here I'm assuming that this plane is 30 mm above the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. Those are the distances from the principal planes I'm considering. Okay, here I'm not representing. So later for final orthographic views I'll represent the dimensional values. Okay, so the size you consider what it may be 30 by 40 or 40 by 50 or 30 by 50 like that. So for a particular given size of rectangular plane we need to draw the orthographic views, that is front view and top view. Okay, so in this condition, so I'm giving the names again for each corner of the rectangular plane as ABCD. Okay, so here in this condition we need to draw the first front view and top view. So here notice not first front view. So based upon the true shape in which we will be getting the true shape, that view we should draw while drawing the orthographic views on a drawing sheet. So first I want to let you know how the views will be in front view and top view. So later I'll explain which view we need to draw first. Okay, so first listen, in front view in this condition we can see only the straight line. Okay, so why we can see only straight line means when we observe the object exactly perpendicular to the vertical plane, that means here our view will be aligning with the plane of the rectangular plane. So here when the view aligning means automatically we can see only the straight line of the thickness equal to the plane. Okay, so here in front view remember we can see only the straight line in this condition. Okay, in which view we can see the exact true shape means in top view we can see the true shape of the rectangular plane. So here I'm representing the front view first. So in front view we can see the straight line like it is appearing, it is falling onto the, it is lying onto the vertical plane like this. Okay, so in top view we can see exact true shape of the rectangular plane. So in top view, so these are the projection lines I have drawn for representing the top view. So in top view we can see the exact rectangular plane with the size given as per the question. So so like this we can see the straight line in front view and we can see the exact true plane size of the rectangular plane in top view. So for understanding purpose I am drawing the projection lines on principal planes. Okay, that is on vertical plane and horizontal plane. So in this condition when we rotate this horizontal plane straight to the vertical plane, then we get the final front view and final top view. So here I'm giving the final orthographic views after rotating the horizontal plane straight to the vertical plane. So here remember again, in this condition when the rectangular plane is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane, we can see the straight line in front view and we can see the exact shape in top view. So that means here while drawing onto the drawing sheet, remember in which view we can see the true shape, that way we need to start first. So that means here first we need to draw the top view, later we need to draw the front view. Okay, remember in top view we can see the true shape and in front view we can see only straight line of the thickness equal to the plane. Okay, so here now I want to explain you how to draw on a drawing sheet. Okay, so assume it is as a drawing sheet and give the first draw the XY reference line for drawing the top view and front view. So here in this case first we need to draw the top view, so because we can see the true shape. Okay, for that first we need to draw the projection lines according to the positioning of the rectangular plane. So here I have assumed that in top view means in top view we can see the distance between the plane and the vertical plane, that is the rectangular plane and vertical plane. So at starting I have assumed it is 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. So that means we need to draw a projection line, that is this projection line with 20 mm distance. So here draw a projection line with 20 mm, then draw the vertical, sorry, then draw the rectangular plane, that is the desired plane, that is ABCD here. Okay, so draw the, so before that, draw the another projection line. So here this distance will be equal to the larger side of the rectangular plane. Okay, so first draw these two projection lines for our convenience, then try to draw the desired rectangular plane. Okay, so draw the rectangular plane, that is the top view we have obtained, and later we need to draw the front view. So how can we draw the front view? Means the front view is uh, like only straight line, and that is at a distance from horizontal plane. So that means here at a distance from the xy reference line. So in first I have assumed that this plane is 30 mm above the horizontal plane. That means this distance from xy reference line to the desired front view, the distance is equal to 30 mm. So again draw the two lines aligning to the projection lines we have drawn for the top view. Okay, so and the distance, the length of the projection line should be equal to 30 mm, because it is 30 mm over the horizontal plane. So draw the projection lines equal to the length of 30 mm, then join the two endpoints of these projection lines. So automatically we can get the front view, that is straight line. Okay, so now I want to give the names as ABCD, that is for top view, and D dash A dash and C dash B dash. Okay, so like this we need to give the naming to the views, front view and top view, the dashed letters for front view and the normal letters for top view. So now I want to represent the dimensions, that is 30 mm above the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. So these are the final projections for the given plane, which is placed in a first quadrant as parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. And here again remember the preference for giving the naming D dash and A dash. Why we are giving D dash and A dash means, again here in front view first we can see the D dash, and the A will be backside of the D. So first preference we have to give to the D. So that's why D dash comma A dash. Similarly here also, why C dash comma B dash means first we can see C point, and at the back of C the B will be taking place. So here for that sake we need to give C dash comma B dash. Okay, and here also normal lettering A B C D. As per in top view, the A will be nearer to the vertical plane, so automatically A should be nearer to the XY reference line. So like that we need to give the naming to the rectangular plane. Okay, according to the given naming conditions, while we are assuming as it is placed in a first quadrant as per the given condition. So like this we need to draw the front view, top view for a given rectangular plane like this. I hope you understand. This is the another standard example, second example. So if you really like it, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are having any doubts about my video explanation, please feel free to give a comment. And I'm requesting you to please click on the ads that can be doing favor to me. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the ads. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you all.